everyone, myself Priya. Currently I am doing my bachelor in radiology and imaging technology, Guru Nanak Paramedical College, Tahankalera. Affiliated to IK Gujaral, Punjab Technical University, Kapurthala, Punjab. Today we will discuss about the vital signs. Vital signs are the group of measurements that indicates the basic functioning of living organisms. Vital signs are the first step of any medical exam or evaluation. Vital signs includes blood pressure, body temperature, pulse rate, respiration rate and blood oxygen saturation. Today we will discuss about the blood pressure. Blood pressure is the force of the blood pushing against the walls of the arteries or blood vessels. It is determined by how much the blood the heart pumps and how much the resistance is provided to the flow of the blood in the arteries. The blood pressure is measured in first one is systolic pressure, second one is diastolic pressure. Systolic pressure is the measure of the pressure when our heart muscles are in contraction. Second one is diastolic pressure. It is the pressure when our heart muscles are in relaxation. The units for the measurement of blood pressure are mm of Hg, that is millimeters of mercury. So now what are the methods for the measurement of blood pressure? There are two types of methods. First one is indirect method, second one is direct method. Direct method is an invasive procedure which includes insertion of needle or catheter into the arteries or blood vessels for the measurement of blood pressure. Second one is indirect method. Indirect method is a non-invasive type of method which involves the use of an instrument called sphygmomanometer. Sphygmomanometer is an instrument which is used to measure the blood pressure. There are various types of sphygmomanometers are available like aneroid sphygmomanometer, digital sphygmomanometer and mercury sphygmomanometer. So these are about the units of the blood pressure and the methods of blood pressure. Now we will talk about the hypertension and hypotension. Hypertension is also known as the high BP. It refers to the condition when our blood pressure is consistently too high than the normal BP. Second one is hypotension. Hypotension means low blood pressure. It means when our blood pressure is too low as compared to the normal value. So now question is, what is the normal value of blood pressure? The normal value of the blood pressure is 120 by 80 mm of mercury. That is systolic would be 120 and diastolic should be 80. So this is all about the blood pressure, its measurements, its units and the methods of measurements of blood pressure. Thank you.